In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your margins in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the margins all the way around the document, as well as the margins that are set around this border here. So the first thing we need to do is just click on Layout in the top navigation, click on Margins from the drop-down list. And in this drop-down selection, you'll have a few templates that we can pick from of already pre-set out margins. Now, these are the most commonly used ones in Microsoft Word. If you want to set your own margins, you can click on Custom Margins at the bottom. So say, for example, I wanted a bigger space on the left here. Then what I could do is just increase this left side, and as you can see in the preview tab, it will go all the way over to the left like this. If you make a mistake, you can click on the Set as Default button at the bottom, and that's going to restore all these settings back to Word's original defaults. And once you're happy with everything, click on OK in the bottom. And as you can see, this has moved my text now to the right hand side. Now we've added this margin. But what if we also wanted to make the border follow this margin as well? Well, to do this, you would need to click on Design in the top navigation. Click on Page Borders, and where it says Apply to, click on the Options button and change Measure From to a text. And then you can press OK and OK. And as you can see, this will automatically move the margins for the border as well. And if you wanted to change the margins within this border itself, you could do that as well by clicking back on Page Borders, clicking back on Options. And from here, you can set the margins within your border. So if I just increase all of these values and press OK, click on OK again, you can see we've now added some margins within our border. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next.